ke manje phakathi kwezelamani zakwaNtanzi ngenxa kaphinda nje eyedwa guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to Saye Live Chain. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on iTonga from the 9th to the 13th of June 2025 on Monday. As two elephants go to war at the Ntanzi house, Mom Faith discovers a shocking truth. Sanele finds himself at odds with Mbali while Zama searches for answers about Banele and Sanele's connection on Tuesday. Mom Faith has a hard decision to make. While Pablo and Mduduzi remain at odds with one another, will their relationship survive? Mbali and Sanele butt head on Wednesday. Pinda step into Mduduzi's shoes, but the cost of ambition, loyalty, and the buried truth threaten to unravel everyone's carefully built facades on Thursday. Zaba wants answers from Sanele and is Pinda ready to fill the very big shoes of his predecessor on Friday. The Magwaza's delight and excitement is short-lived in the face of the Dadla's list. Pinda and Mom Faith dodges a bullet while Pablo and Mduduzi's relationship sinks even more. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share.